We had a beautiful day today, but this was the best day of the week by far. And anytime this time of year we're really warm and we have a lot of sunshine, we got to worry about when the next system is coming through and what that means in terms of storms. So we have a weather ready alert for tomorrow night into Wednesday morning for additional potential for strong to severe storms. It looks like most of that will stay towards I-94 and south, but all hazards are possible within those storms, meaning gusty winds, maybe some hailstones larger than a quarter, and unfortunately, the potential for a tornado is also there. We're also going to be dealing with heavy rain that could lead to some street flooding. So it's all of the things kind of combined into one, but it also depends on how far north the warm front can lift, and that will be a key factor in whether we get storms or not for tomorrow. Right now it is unseasonably warm with temperatures still in the 50s and 60s right now. A little bit of cloud cover drifting in, but we will gradually see that thicken tonight as temperatures slowly fall. We're still fairly breezy with that wind coming up from the south, which is pulling in warm and humid air, setting the stage for that potential for storms for tomorrow. Temperatures should fall down into the upper 40s tonight, but some of us may not get cooler than the mid 50s. It just kind of depends on whether the warm conveyor belt stops at all, and it kind of doesn't really look that way. And as we get into tomorrow, we're going to rebound very quickly into the upper 50s. But the area that I'm concerned about is 94 and south, where we're going to get a little bit of an additional boost of warm and humid air, getting us into the upper 60s and low 70s. And as that system comes in, this is going to be the primary area to focus on the potential for some of those severe storms. Primary risk area in orange, the enhanced risk, which is a level 3 out of 5, is just to our south. Most of West Michigan is in the slight risk, the yellow, the level 2 out of 5, and areas north of Grand Rapids and 96 are in that marginal 1 out of 5. But I still think from Kalamazoo south is probably going to be the main area to see the potential for some of these severe thunderstorms, which right now wind and hail are the main threats along with flooding. But there is plenty of spin in the atmosphere, and as we've seen, it doesn't necessarily take a whole lot to get one of those spin up tornadoes. So still be prepared for that and make sure everybody in your family knows how to take shelter and where if necessary. Most of this is not going to start until the evening, which also presents some issues because it's dark at this point in time. And you can see a lot of these gustier thunderstorms look to form down towards the Indiana state line. If that warm front moves a little farther north, we may see some additional activity between 9 p.m. and midnight. A lot of this is going to be gusty wind related, but some of these storms a little closer to the Indiana state line, I would be a little concerned could have some of that additional rotation. Into the early morning Wednesday, we see a final round of rain right around commute time, and then the cold air swings in. That's going to be the part 2 of this system. Temperatures falling and the potential for rain turning to snow, and that's not the only winter weather opportunity this week.